snow accumulations between 4 and 6 inches with localized amounts up to 7 inches. The areas affected include a portion of central Pennsylvania. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sunday. Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses will likely become slick and hazardous. Visibilities may drop below 1/4 mile due to falling and blowing snow. Travel could be very difficult. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Persons should delay all travel if possible. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution and be prepared for sudden changes in visibility. Leave plenty of room between you and the motorist ahead of you and allow extra time to reach your destination. Avoid sudden braking or acceleration and be especially cautious on hills or when making turns. Make sure your car is winterized and in good working order.